Aloha, Sister Elaine here. Let's talk a little bit about equipment that you will need to produce your show at home. Some of you may already own some of this equipment, and you'll have to provide it for yourself. The station doesn't have the budget to provide home recording equipment. So the first thing is a microphone. Now, the microphone could be your cell phone, not a good idea. It could be earbuds, not a good idea. You want really rich sound. I'm going to move my keyboard out of the way and I'm going to show you my mic. There are several, I'll send you a PDF with a list of low end, high end, and in between types of microphones. So this microphone just sits on top of my desk, has a little tripod here. And the back of it, this is a multi-use. You can have, so this I've got plugged into my PC. This could be for a different type of cable. And this is a headphone jack for people who need to use a headphone and a mic. This is a cardioid microphone, and it has a filter on it, a foam filter, which prevents breezes and things from making popping sounds. And then it has a pop filter. That is this disc with it's a double membrane, very thin material, kind of bouncy. And it does not touch the microphone, but it's very close to the microphone. That helps prevent peas from popping and making spikes on your audio recording, which you don't want. So you would need a good mic, and they can range anywhere from $60 to $300. And then you need a pop filter. Those are very inexpensive. You'll need either tripod stand, and some of the microphones do come with them. You will need an isolating one of these springy arm things that clamp onto your desk and kind of have a V shape, and you can kind of they're on springs, so you can move it around. You want to isolate the microphone from tapping the desk because that translates through your microphone into your audio recording, and they're really hard to edit out. Those two things are the most important pieces of equipment. You will also need a pair of headphones because if you're recording, let's say you have a co-host. For example, you're going to be co-hosting with me, for example, when you practice before you're going on air. And you will need a headphone to not have extraneous sounds coming through that remote recording that you're going to do when you're co-hosting a show with me. And so a set of headphones, it doesn't have to have a mic, it's just a set of headphones. And you could use earbuds for that. That would be fine. And again, it doesn't have to have a microphone on it, just earbuds. And then let's see, another piece of this is a download. So I use Audacity as my software editing. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about Audacity. Okay, that's it for now. And we'll talk next. Ahui ho.